When I think about the financial journey of young professionals, I can't help but reflect on the common pitfalls that many of us stumble into. Let's dive into the 5 biggest money mistakes I see and, more importantly, how to sidestep them. First up is living beyond your means. It's so tempting to upgrade your lifestyle as soon as you get that first paycheck. You might think, I deserve this. But those fancy dinners and impulse buys can quickly add up. Instead, create a budget that reflects your income and stick to it. Prioritize needs over wants. Trust me, your future self will thank you when you're not drowning in debt. Next, let's talk about neglecting savings. Many young professionals think they can start saving later, but the earlier you start, the better. Even if it's just a small amount, set up an automatic transfer to your savings account every month. This way, you're paying yourself first. Consider building an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of expenses. Life is unpredictable, and having that cushion can save you from financial stress. The third mistake is ignoring retirement savings. I know. Retirement feels like a lifetime away, but time is your best friend when it comes to compound interest. If your employer offers a 401k match, take full advantage of it. It's essentially free money. Even if you can only contribute a small percentage now, increase it gradually as you get raises. Your future self will be grateful for the foresight. Fourth, let's address the issue of debt, particularly student loans and credit cards. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, but ignoring it won't make it go away. Create a repayment plan that prioritizes high-interest debt first. Consider consolidating or refinancing if it makes sense for you. And remember, using credit cards responsibly can build your credit score, but only if you pay off the balance in full each month. Finally, the 5th mistake is not investing in yourself. This might sound a bit cliché, but investing in your skills and education can pay off immensely. Attend workshops, take online courses, or even network with professionals in your field. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. It's an investment that can lead to promotions, raises, and new opportunities. So, to recap, live within your means, prioritize savings, start retirement contributions early, tackle debt strategically, and invest in your personal growth. Avoiding these common mistakes can set you on a path to financial stability and success. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow.